Hi friends, this is Vicki with Gramma Vicki Crafts, and today we're going to make this cute little snowman that I made out of 2 fish bowls and a little decoration from the Dollar Tree. And he is just sitting on a little fluff of snow. So if you want to know how I made him, please follow along and I'll show you how. So let's get started. So let's get this little guy put together. So I have a little decoration from the Dollar Tree for my snowman head. And I've got 2 fish bowls from the Dollar Tree. Now they're 2 different sizes. One is bigger than the other. And then I've also got one of these Styrofoam circles from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using some of these cobblestone decorations. You can use whatever you like. I've got 2 little singers here, and I've got a couple of little lamp posts and a cute little bench and some snowmen. I thought these would be pretty cute to go inside the glass bowls. So what I'm going to do first of all is I have this mop that you can buy, a microfiber duster from the Dollar Tree. Now what I did, because these things, they just, when you cut them, they just fray all apart. They're really messy. But what I did was I put my circle on to there on the back, and then I traced out just a little bit bigger, and now I sewed that with my sewing machine all across there. So I'm going to cut that just above my seam line. Then I'm going to put that on the top like so, and then I'm going to hot glue this all around to cover the edges. That's going to be my snow to put my fish bowls on for my snowman. So let's get started with that. So now I have the base all finished. I've got it all glued down and around onto that piece of styrofoam. So that's now my snow for my snowman to stand on. So then what I did was I took a piece of styrofoam. Now this is packing just from a box in order of something that was from my husband, and all I did was I set the glass bowl on top of that, and I traced around the very bottom of the glass bowl because I wanted an insert to go inside and sit. So I'm using a screwdriver and I just poke a wee hole in there, and you'll see what I mean. I want this to sit in the bottom so that I can glue my little figurines onto the top of this so that they'll stand up a little taller. And then I'm going to put in some snow to cover up. This is just some loose snow, and I'm going to shake that all in and around after I get the styrofoam all set up with my little figurines. So I'm going to go now and figure out how I want to put my little figurines onto my styrofoam, and then I'm going to glue it down into the bottom of the biggest fish bowl to start with. So here's my biggest fish bowl, and I've got my little figurines all glued in on top of that styrofoam, and then I just shook in some of those loose little snowflakes, and I think that looks pretty cute. So now I went ahead and I did the very same thing to the small one. So now we'll be able to set those one on top of the other, and that will be the makings of our snowman. Now, this little guy, he is too small to sit in there. So I took the top of my fish bowl and I traced it on just a piece of cardboard. And I cut it out, so I now have a circle. And I think I'm going to just paint this all white. And then I'm going to glue that down onto my snowman. So then that is going to sit there. And he will sit on top of that. And then, of course, we will put a little scarf around him and give him some little decorations there. So I think I'll go ahead first and paint my piece of cardboard white, and then I'll glue him onto the cardboard. So I have my little piece of cardboard painted white, and now I also bought from the Dollar Tree one of these little push lights. And I thought what I would do with that is glue it, hot glue it, onto the underside of my cardboard. So when I can set this on here, I won't glue the top onto the glass. I'll just set the cardboard on top, and then I'll be able to take it out and push the light on, and then we'll have light in the top bowl. So I'm going to go now and hot glue the cardboard onto the back of my little push light, and then I'll also glue the snowman's head onto the top of my cardboard as well. So I now have my little snowman's head glued on to my cardboard and the light attached. So that's what that will look like. Now I'm not going to glue these down, and I'm going to be setting it somewhere where nobody can touch it and have it fall over. But so now I'm going to put a scarf on him. So I just have a piece of black fleece, and it is about 2 inches wide and about 15 or 16 inches long. And I'm going to fold it in half and just kind of hot glue the one edge down totally. And then I'm going to bring it around to cover up the cardboard like so. And then he'll be finished. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now and glue that onto around here on the cardboard so it doesn't show, and I'll be back. So here he is, and he's all finished, and I think he turned out pretty cute. So this makes a nice little snowman decoration for Christmas or for winter, actually. And you can either have the little light on in the top for the top bowl or off. The choice is yours, or you don't have to have that part at all. And you can also glue your bowls together if you wish, but I don't want to do that because then I can separate them and store them as well, easier. So if this is something you'd like to try, I hope you will. So please like, share with your friends, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And at this point, I have to tell you, friends, I'm at 997 subscribers. So this really helps my channel to grow, and I am so appreciative. So if you would like to comment, that helps as well. But do give me that big thumbs up. Thanks so much for watching. Always remember to be kind. Bye now.